All right, I'm talking to Mr. Garcia right here. He says, since we have a hybrid hot water heater here, and okay, all right, and it's fitting also. It goes to the top and then it goes to the sides. That's weird. Okay, anyway, the power comes from top, so that's gonna have to be run over there, come down, because what he's telling me, he wants to have the hot water heater right here where these chairs are. Eventually, there will be a wall coming all the way across here and containing this area as a laundry room, and this will be for something else. But that water heater is gonna have to come down from there, and it's gonna be right here in front of the dryer. The electric goes up on top, is short, so it needs to be rerun all the way down into the wall.